Hey everyone, today we're going to go from glasses to fabulous. Hey, well, okay, here we go. We already primed our face with Milani Prime Shield, and we also put some Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Classic Beige. Alright, that looks a little weird, but we're going to fix that. We're going to put some Bare Minerals ID all over face color in the shade Warmth. We're going to use a foundation brush. Alright, we're going to put it on our cheeks and then we're going to basically spread it everywhere. I believe there was enough on the cheeks. I didn't want to put too much color in there. So, okay. Next, well, whoops, we dropped something. Okay, we dropped the lid. Okay, got it. So, moving on. We're going to look for our beauty sponge. We're using a Real Techniques beauty sponge. Okay, just going everywhere. Make sure you get the neck. Okay, hey, yeah. Alright, this is our Infallible Pro Glow by L'Oreal Paris. And this is 02 Creamy Natural. This is the shade that we're using. Alright. Yeah. That is how I conceal. I also conceal on the bottom. And yeah, that was a very weird method for just blending and, you know, concealer. Yeah, why not? Why not put the face? Okay, well, this is our wonderful Lorac Pro Eyeshadow Palette 2. Okay, we're going to use that. And the first shade we're going to use, well, first, of course, can't forget, we're going to prime our lids. This is our behind the scenes primer. This is an eyelid primer I have not used in a long time. So, okay. Alright, lesson learned. First squeeze and then take off the little bead, you know, from the dry moments that I did not use this wonderful eyelid primer. Okay, yeah. Let's go for round 2 because, you know, we barely got any product there. It was just dry. Alright, so going on the other eye. And here's the funny part. Funny part is I'm just blending a wonderful eyelid primer, and yeah, here we go. Okay, goodness. I'm just laughing at myself because, yeah, you know, why else would I do that? Alright, here are our 3 eyeshadow brushes we're going to be using today. We have the Wet n Wild Wet n Wild large eyeshadow brush, and we also have the blending brush from e.l.f. That's the one I just showed right now. Didn't come up, the letters didn't come up, but it says e.l.f. blending brush. Alright, first shade we're going to use whenever we, you know, zoom in. Hey, okay, not yet. Hey, nice eyebrows, okay. First shade is Buff from Lorac Pro Palette 2. Okay, so we're using it on the first eye, and then sorry, losing voice, and then we're gonna go to the other eye. Hey, okay, all over the lid on both eyes. And let's keep zooming in. Hey. Not used to having the camera so close to my face, so. Next, we're looking for the cool gray shade of the Lorac Pro Palette 2. we're going to use the large eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild to just put that there on the crease. Okay, make sure you blend it enough. I was trying there not to have too much on the corner, but look how fabulous that looks. I just had to appreciate and admire the beauty. Okay, next we're gonna go on the other eye. We're gonna make sure we have it all over, even on the inner corner. I just want it all over the lid. Sorry, the crease. Yay, okay. So next we're gonna, well, happens is we're gonna move on from this palette. Alright, moving on, because we have a red shirt, so we can't use that many brown colors. We want to use some colorful colors today. And yeah, moving on. Wait, emphasizing that I'm gonna move on to another palette. Alright, this is another palette. It's called the DGAFO 18 color eyeshadow kit. And the first color we're going to use, hey, look how beautiful that palette is. Woo, variety. Alright. We're going to use the crease brush now from Wet n Wild. And we added the fourth color on the second row. It's the purple color. Alright, we're just dotting it over there, you know, just putting it on top. Alright, was it enough? Okay, so we go again. Just make sure it doesn't look patchy or anything. This is a very, very pretty velvet look. I really like it. Hey, why the face? Don't be mad. Okay, let's go. Round 2. And now we go to the other side. Might have been using the wrong brush for this, but you know, why not? We could always try different things. Hey, okay. So now we would like to add another color, right? We're gonna add a cool gray, the cool gray we use from the Lorac palette, and we're going to just put it there. And well, inner corner ready. Yay, we moved on very fast. Don't we move on very fast? Okay, just that inner corner and then the other inner corner. I just wanted to point out which color that was. It's on the second row all the way to the right, and it's right under that brown shade in the actual palette. Okay, making sure it's not too rough. Okay, blending the inner corner color with the purple. Just using the excess. We're not using any more eyeshadow for now with the colors we have already used. Okay, using the brown shade, we're going to use the e.l.f. eyeshadow blending brush, and we're just gonna go around. Okay, same, basically almost the same thing that we did with that Wet n Wild. Okay, well, we got it. Yay, we got that shadow brush. Okay, other side. And this is a little bit of a mess because I put too much on the inner corner. So if you mess up, you could always clean up. Don't worry, we're gonna try to fix it with the purple. And of course that didn't work, so we're just looking at it, okay, checking it out. I just wanted to add more brown on the other side, but I ended up just adding cool gray. Alright, so what happens is this. We just clean it up a little bit. Remember, this is a get ready with me. It's not a tutorial, so We're just procrastinating here. Okay. Yay. Just practice. Makeup requires practice. This may not be perfect, but at least it looks good, right? I mean, to my eyes it looks good, but it does not look perfect, so it does not look very good, if that makes sense. Alright, zoomed out. And we're gonna use contouring. Okay, I emphasize first step and second step. Okay, first step is the LA Girl Velvet Bronzer contour stick, and we're going to use it in the shade Suede, and then we're gonna use a Claire's compact powder. Okay, make sure you use it on the sides of your nose like I'm doing it. And now we're gonna speed it up a little bit, and we're just gonna contour regularly, just normal contouring. Make sure now we got everything. Okay, yeah, that line was a little bit too short, so I added a little bit more. And now we got our sponge. We got a beauty sponge from Real Techniques again, and then we're gonna put it everywhere. Okay. Isn't that beautiful? Yay. Yeah, I'm just like, this is not blending enough. Alright, just swipe that down. Swipe that contour down. Oh, yep, hit pan. Okay, I hit pan on that compact brown powder, but here we go with a define brush from Eco Tools. Alright, just put it everywhere except the nose, because I do not have a small nose contouring brush, so we just put it everywhere except the nose. Alright, next we're gonna move on to highlighting. So the shade we're going to use is this one, the one on the top left in the palette. Okay, we're going to show it. Okay, wait, let's cover the mirror. Okay, we use that one, and we're using a highlight brush. It's actually a fan brush as well. We're using it from Eco Tools, and yeah, nobody highlights there, but you know what? Let's do it again. Yeah. Next, can't forget to add some blush. Okay. Well, this is mascara. Let's add mascara first, and then blush. Alright, let's speed this up a little bit. Okay. Just speed up the process. Not much of a routine. Okay, now we do the blush. Okay, I hit pen as well. And I'm also pointing out the fact that I've had this for a while and I have not taken off that little sticker. But alright, that's fine. Okay, we're actually using an Eco Tools powder brush for the blush. I mean, that's fine. Let's just do it. Alright. Even on the nose, yeah. I've seen people like one of my family members do it. Like we just put it on the nose and the forehead. You know, just put blush everywhere. Okay, this lip balm says all you need is love. Of course, all you need is love. Alright. We're gonna clean up first. We're using little tissue. Okay, clean up. Yep, there was a lot of foundation, and put it everywhere. And for those of you wondering what it says in the bottom, it actually says Oreo. Oreo is my nickname. Okay, so we're moving on with number 6, Sephora. It's a Sephora cream lip stain, and it's a lip stain set, and this is number 6, Pink Souffle. Yay, smile, okay? But we are not done, because we gotta put our hair down. Yeah, yay, the hair is down and we start modeling, yeah. Hello everyone, so I just finished watching the whole entire video. It was, I can't say great, because I had a few mistakes, but this is going to be my first video and there's many to come, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you laughed. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe and comment down below whatever comments, concerns, questions you have, and see you guys on my next video. Bye!